Today we continue the VSC PR theory, that is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So already we know this theory mainly explains about the shape of the molecule. It explains about the shape of the molecules. So according to this theory, we know that the shape of any molecule depends on the number of lone pairs and number of bond pairs present at the central atom. Okay, so means the shape is totally depends on the number of lone pair electrons and bond pair electrons present on the central atom of a molecule. And we discussed already that what is mean by lone pair, what is mean by bond pairs, what is the order of repulsion between the lone pairs, between the bond pairs, and between the bond pair and lone pair. Now we see some examples related to that theory. Okay, so first, so already we explained so now we see the example. So that's the methane. Okay, so we know that in methane there is no lone pairs are present. Okay, what is the shape of the methane molecule? It is a tetrahedral shape. Okay, there is no lone pairs on carbon atom, so therefore there is nothing change in the bond angle, so which is exactly expected one. So here the central atom carbon, we know that the hybridization of carbon is undergoes sp3 hybridization. So around that carbon atom there is 4 bond pairs are present in tetrahedral shape. Okay, the shape is perfectly tetrahedral. So how many bonds? So carbon has how many bond pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Has 4 bond pairs. And we know that there is a number of lone pairs. So carbon has no lone pair of electrons. Carbon has no lone pair of electrons. Therefore, there is no repulsions. Okay, now there is a repulsions are possible, but which type of repulsions are possible? Only there is a BP. So just BP repulsions are only present. So BP repulsions means there is a total negligible repulsions. So here which type of repulsions are present? There are only BP repulsions are present. So only BP there is a BP repulsions are, we know that they are negligible. And here one more important point, the BP repulsions are negligible, and also all are having BP repulsions only. This between the 4 bonds BP repulsions are present. So all are compensate with each other. For example, so E bond repel and anukuna. Okay, just think this hydrogen, this bond is repelled. So opposite type. So then opposite type automatic ఈ above ఉన్న hydrogen కూడా ఏమవుతుంది, repel అవుతుంది. So now we are discussing about this hydrogen bond. So ఈ bond ఇట్ సైడ్ నుంచి repel, ఈ hydrogen తో ఉన్న bond తో repel అవుతుంది, ఈ hydrogen తో ఉన్న bond తో repel అవుతుంది. So both are having same type of bond. So both sides ఇప్పుడు ఈ bond మనం చెక్ చేస్తే ఇట్ సైడ్ నుంచి సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్స్ ఉంది, ఇట్ సైడ్ నుంచి సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్స్ ఉంది. సో ఫైనల్లీ సో రెండు రిపల్షన్ ఫోర్సెస్ కాంపెన్సేట్ అయ్యి ఇట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ పొజిషన్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇట్స్ ఒరిజినల్ పొజిషన్ ఓన్లీ. కాబట్టి పొజిషన్లో చేంజ్ రాదు, షేప్లో చేంజ్ రాదు, బాండ్ యాంగిల్లో చేంజ్ రాదు. ఓకే, మీన్స్ దెర్ ఈజ్ సో రైట్ ద నోట్స్. ఓకే, here only that examples are there, you have to write the notes down only. Okay, just write the point wise. Carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization, shape has only, so there is only BP repulsions are present. So therefore only BP are present. So finally we can conclude that, so due to the only BP repulsions, no change in the shape and bond angle. Okay, means so we need to understand one more thing here. Here how many bond pairs are present? 4 bond pairs are present. Bond pairs are present. How many lone pairs are present? There is no lone pairs are present. Just think, just remember that in any molecule, if the central atom undergoes sp3 hybridization, having 4 bond pairs without lone pairs, 4 bond pairs without lone pairs, is compulsory having tetrahedral shape. Okay, a four bond pairs only lone pairs like that will be tetrahedral shape. We need to remember that. Okay, at last we give the list also. Now see the one more example. See ammonia. We know the ammonia of hybridization of ammonia, nitrogen in ammonia, that is sp3. Now we know the shape of see what is the position of nitrogen here. Yeah, we know that the central atom nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization. Here the nitrogen has how many bond pairs, how many lone pairs? Why you are discussing about nitrogen means the central atom is nitrogen. Here the nitrogen has 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Okay, so lone pairs are present. So mean there is a what type of repulsions are present? There is a presence of BP. And we know that there is a negligible effect of bond pair repulsions, but there is also repulsions arises between the lone pair and bond pair. In lone pair ki ikonna bond lo unna electron pair ki repulsions means here so BP repulsions common and they are negligible. Here BP and also LP-BP repulsions are present. Okay, so due to these repulsions, okay, due to this LP-BP repulsions, there is a change in the bond angle. So ikkada actually hydrogens actually maybe e positions lo undali. E positions lo undali kani due to the repulsion what happened ante so ఇలా డిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాల్సిన ఏమంటే దే బికమ్ సమ్ వాట్ క్లోజర్. సో కాబట్టి బాండ్ యాంగిల్ ఏమైంది డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్న ఇట్ షిఫ్ట్ అయిపోయింది. హ్యాపెన్ డ్యూ టు ద ఎల్పి-బిపి రిపల్షన్స్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ద డయాగ్రామ్స్ నీట్లీ. ఓకే, the central hydrogen must be different. అంటే సైడ్స్ వాటితో కంటే బిగ్గర్ లెంత్ అని ఉండాలి, స్మాలర్ లెంత్ అని ఉండాలి. సో there is a, now we can say there is a, due to the LP-BP repulsions shape is triangular pyramid. Shape is triangular pyramid. So separately why I was talking about the shape and actually sp3 ఉంటే ఏ షేప్ లో ఉండాలి మనకి టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ షేప్ లో ఉండాలి. బట్ sp3 లో వన్ పొజిషన్ లో లోన్ పేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎల్పివిపి రిపల్షన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. సో ఎల్పివిపి రిపల్షన్ వల్ల ద షేప్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చేది ఉంది టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ 2. డ్యూ టు ద ఎల్పివిపి రిపల్షన్ షేప్ ఈజ్ ట్రయాంగులర్ పిరమిడ్ and bond angle is 107 degrees. So it happens only due to the LPBP repulsions. Means we need to think that even nitrogen undergoes sp3 hybridization. So there is a 3 BPs, 1 LPR present. In the above example, in the methane example, there was only 4 BPs. 4 BPs ఉండే 0 lone pairs ఉండే. సో అప్పుడు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా షేప్ టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ ఉండే. బట్ హియర్ sp3 4s లో 3 బాండ్ pairs are present, 1 lone pair present. So that's why its shape becomes triangular pyramid, not bipyramidal. It is just a triangular pyramid and the bond angle becomes 109 ఉండాల్సి ఉండే. It is decreased to 107 degrees. And why the shape is changed? Why the bond angle is decreased? Just simply due to the LPBP repulsions. Okay, we see one more example. See the water molecule. Okay, so we know what is the central atom, oxygen. The oxygen has 2 lone pairs. We must know this structure. Okay, now see what is the central atom, oxygen. Here oxygen undergoes which hybridization? sp3. Are we given that how to determine the hybridization? We given a formula. Okay, next. So oxygen undergoes sp3. Now this oxygen atom has how many bond pairs? Any bonds unte any bond pairs. Has 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. It's important. How many bond pairs? How many lone pairs? So here what type of repulsions are present? So here we can write BP is a common. So BP repulsions are there which are negligible. Next LPBP. So LP ki BP ki repulsions are present. Okay. Next and also there is a repulsion between LP. So LP good repulsions. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉండాల్సిన 3 type of repulsions అంటే possible to అన్ని repulsions ఉన్నాయి. So here we can write BP, LPBP and LP repulsions are present. Okay, so due to that LPBP repulsions and LP repulsions, కానీ 2 type అంటే ఎఫెక్ట్ చేసేది ఏంటి మనకి జనరల్ గా LP repulsions, LPBP repulsions ఎఫెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి షేప్ ని, బాండ్ యాంగిల్. సో BP repulsions are negligible, they don't affect the shape of the molecule. So we need to consider this only. LPBP, LP repulsions ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్గా మన టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ షేప్ లో ఉండాలి. ఇట్ బికమ్స్ యాంగులర్ షేప్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ రివర్స్ వి షేప్ అంటాం, యాంగులర్ షేప్ అవుతుంది. సో రిపల్షన్స్ వల్ల బాండ్ యాంగిల్ ఏమవుతుంది, పెద్దగా ఉండాలి, యాంగిల్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాల్సింది డిక్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో we can write now the main point here. Due to the LP and LPBP repulsions, shape of water is angular and bond angle decreased to shape is changed to actually మన tetrahedral ఉండాలి sp3 ఉంటే but the shape becomes angular one and the bond angle is 104.5 degrees. So అక్కడ అమోనియాలో ఓన్లీ 109 నుంచి అమోనియాలో 109 to 107 అయింది, ఇక్కడ 104 అయింది. సో మీథేన్లో 109 నో రిపల్షన్స్, ఎఫెక్ట్ రిపల్షన్స్ లేవు. ఇక్కడ ఎల్పీబీపీ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఎల్పీఎల్పీ అండ్ బీపీబీపీ బోత్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ రిపల్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి బాండ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ డిక్రీజ్డ్ అలాట్. ఓకే, సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద మెయిన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. So here also we need to remember the point that here 2 BPs, 2 LPs are present. Okay, we need to remember 2 BPs, 2 LPs unte compulsory what will be the shape? Angular shape. Okay, these are like examples. But if any molecules is also having like this 2 BPs, 2 LPs, they also must undergo, they also must exist in a angular shape. Okay, shape angular, the bond angle may be changed, the shape is angular shape. Okay. So next, so now we see some other examples. That is, so what is beryllium chloride? Okay, beryllium chloride. You know what is the beryllium chloride? It's BeCl2. Okay. So what about the central atom? The beryllium central atom undergoes which hybridization? The central atom beryllium undergoes, sp hybridization. Okay, next, what is the shape? Linear. Actually we need to know now here beryllium has 2 bond pairs and it has no lone pairs. Lone pairs are 0. So what type of repulsions are there here? Only BP repulsions are present. Only BP repulsions kabatti BP repulsions are negligible. So BP repulsion negligible kabatti, so therefore no change in its shape. No change in its shape and bond angle. So what is the shape? Perfectly linear. So what is the bond angle is 180 degrees. There is nothing changed. Okay. So here we need to remember that it is having 2 BPs, no lone pair. 2 BPs with the lone pairs lekpote. So it must be in a linear shape. Okay. So now we write some general examples. Okay, now we write general examples. Okay, just now we discussed which molecule and the daily basis from general examples rastamante. For example, so ippadaaka cheppina example CH4 and H3 and water. So we know the shape CH4 sp3 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 with 4 bonds ఉన్నాయి. So ikkada manaki what is the, no need to write this, just listen. 4 bond pairs, no lone pairs. Here 3 BPs, 1 lone pair. Here 2 BPs, 2 lone pairs. Total electron pairs ikkada 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4. So అన్నిట్లో 4 electron pairs ఉన్నాయి around the central atom. Around the central atom 4, just listen. Okay, important one. 4 pairs ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 4 pairs లో 4 pairs ఉంటే జనరల్ గా sp3 తీసుకోవచ్చు. 4 pairs bond participate అంటే sp3. బట్ ఆ 4 pairs లో 4 BPs అయితేనేమో that will be in tetrahedral shape. ఆ 4 లో 3 BPs 1 lone pair అయితే that is pyramidal shape. అదే 2 LP 2 BP అయితే angular shape. Again we given one more example BeCl. In BeCl there is only two BPs are present and there is a no lone pairs. There is no lone pairs. So two BPs ఉన్నాయి, lone pairs అసలు లేవు. So that shape is మొత్తం total గా 2 and the shape is linear shape. Okay, so like this we give some more general example. General example means so మనం central atom ఎలా డిస్కస్ చేస్తామంటే we treated the central atom is A and the side atoms are X. Or we can write A and B also. Okay. So we treated A is the central atom, B is the side atoms, E is the lone pair of atoms. Okay. Now we see that different examples. Here we need to draw a table to understand perfectly. Okay. Okay, now see here, it's very important to understand to write many questions. So first now we are taking number of BPs we are taking 2 BPs and there is no lone pairs. Okay, just guess which molecule is having like this, position. Bond pairs 2 unali, lone pairs 0 means which is having beryllium chloride, we know that. Okay, so only we can guess this. Okay, beryllium chloride. Okay, just now we discussed it. So beryllium chloride. So what is the central atom? So central atom we are writing A. So 2 bond pairs without lone pairs means what will be the formula? Simply we are writing AB2. Then what will be the shape? It must be linear shape with bond angle 180 degrees. Okay, and there is some more examples for there. BeF2. So both are nearly equal. And also we know that the hybridization C2H2 acetylene. Okay, acetylene. Next think that again there is a 2 bond pairs are there and now there is no lone pairs. Bond pairs 3, no lone pairs. Now we can write the formula like this. AB3 type of molecule. Already we said that is a general formula, general examples. So AB3. So AB3 we all are having only bond pairs. Bond pairs are only AB3 only. So only bond pairs only, there is a no affecting shape. So shape affect a choice లేదు. Shape affect a choice లేదు కాబట్టి ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు sp3 ఉంటుంది, sp2 ఉంటుంది. So the example are just like BCl3. Okay, so you know the hybridization of BCl3, sp2. So BF3 also same. So what will be the shape? Triangular planar. So having triangular planar means we need to remember 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs, linear. 3 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. It is like this. Now see, for 2 it is no problem. Okay, if 3 are present, there is one more possibility. Ikkada total bond pairs, and ikkada 3 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3 pairs. Now think that 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Now what will be the formula we can write? We can write the formula AB2 and E indicates about lone pair. Means it is just like AB2E. So then what will be the shape? Okay, so perfect ga total pairs and total pairs 3 pairs. So 3 pairs unte we simply guess that AB3. Okay, 3 pairs unte AB3 undali. But a 3 pairs lo 3 are not bond pairs. Only 2 are bond pairs, 1 is lone pair. 2 are bond pairs, 1 is lone pair. So kabatti ఇప్పుడు only 2 bonds ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి shape will become angular. Okay, 2 bonds ఉన్నప్పుడు angular shape వస్తుంది. Because ఇక్కడ lone pair enter అయింది అంటే 1 lone pair enter అయింది అంటే అక్కడ LP BP repulsions వస్తాయి. సో ఇక్కడ పైన చెప్పిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ lone pair లేవు. Therefore there is no repulsions. కాబట్టి ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ షేప్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. but here the lone pair present kabatti the shape will be changed. So what will the two bonds unnappudu shape entidi? That is the angular shape. Okay, that is the angular shape, or we can write it is a bent molecule. Okay, it is an angular shape. Angular, reversed, it can be written as bent. Okay, it is also known as bent molecule. The main important examples of this is SO2 and also ozone. Okay, so next there is also one more possibility is there. I am taking now 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. So 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. So what will be the general formula of the compound? What is the general formula of that compound? Just like methane, simply we can guess it, AB4. So AB4 and just like CH4, sorry. Okay, CCl4. So the shape is tetrahedral. So akkada lone pair same level kabatti there is no problem. So we can write the simply. Next, total 4 pairs unnai. 4 pairs unnappudu what is inko other possibility 3, 1. Just now we discussed that AB3 having 1 lone pair. You remember that just now we discussed that is ammonia having only 1 lone pair, and even we can write the PCl3 is also having same like this. What will be the shape? Triangular pyramid shape. Means generally questions are like this. If a molecule is having 3 BPs, 1 lone pair, so what will be the shape of the molecules and what is the example? So different questions maybe takes place from this table, and here we can write one more example. So there is many choices are there now. Okay, now see some more choices. Just now we said that 4 pairs unnappudu 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. Next 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Next other one 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. A, B to E2. Actually general formula lo E2 untadu. So manante E2 represents the presence of 2 lone pairs. Okay, shape. So 2 unnappudu compulsory that will be angular, reverse V, or it may be bent. All are same meaning. So best example H2O. You know that H2O is having 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs on it. Next, see, so ikkada manaku 4 unnappudu these are the possibilities. Now see take the 5. Okay, so 5 unnappudu this are 0 తీసుకుందాం. So it is just AB5. So the shape will be trigonal bipyramid. So lone pairs lekapothe that's a simple, the shape is exactly equal to the expected shape. So 5 bonds unnappudu ఏ shape expect చేస్తాం? To get the less repulsions and more distance. Okay, we said that the arrangement of the bonds is like having less repulsions and more distance. Kabatti 5 ఉన్న LPs unte repulsions తో automatically there is some defects, some changes takes place. But here there is no lone pairs, it is talking about only bond pairs. Kabatti 5 ఉన్నప్పుడు perfect shape in trigonal bipyramid, and this shape is PCl5. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. This is a PCl5. So next same there. So 5 and 1 we see if 5 are present, total 5 but 4 are bond pairs, 1 is lone pair. So it will be like this AB4E. Okay, AB4E. Then what will be the shape? What will the shape we can expect? That is a, it is very important shape. So the main examples, very rare examples are present. It is known as seesaw shape. Okay, it is known as the seesaw game. Okay, just like seesaw shape is present for this type of molecules. Means if it is question asked, the 4 bond pairs, 1 lone pair is present, what will the shape of the molecule seesaw, and the shape is seesaw. Example is SF4, and even there is SCl4 is also like that. Okay. Next, again, if there is a same 5 వాటికి other ఇంకో possibility అంటే 3 plus 2, 3 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. So what will be the formula? AB3 E2. So 3 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ, 2 lone pairs ఉన్నాయి. So the shape will be just like can you guess the shape? 3 2. Okay, very important example is ClF3. This is known as T shape. Okay, T shape means here Cl so the understanding is very important here, just not by having this table. So we need to remember also, because so examples maybe in questions they give an example from any side. Okay, from anywhere they can give the examples. We must know the BPs and LPs. I've explained this ClF3. So the ClF3. So what is the hybridization in ClF3? Can you give the hybridization? We know the technique of hybridization. There is a half into, sorry, number of half into. What is the, this is the central atom. Valency electrons, monovalent atoms. There is becomes total 5 వస్తే there is sp3d. sp3d ఉంటే నార్మల్ ఏ షేప్ లో ఉండాలి? sp3d వస్తే ట్రైగోనల్ బైపిరమిడ్ షేప్ లో ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇన్ దట్ 5 వాటిలో 5 బాండ్స్ ఏ ఉంటే సో పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ట్రైగోనల్ బైపిరమిడ్ ఉండేది. బట్ ఇట్స్ హ్యావింగ్ 3 బాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 2 LPs ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, 3 bonds, 2 LPs ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి అది ఎట్లా అరేంజ్ అవుతుందంటే ClF3 it arranges like this. Actually this is TBP. ఓకే, ఇట్లా ఉండాలి TBP మనకి. సో మధ్యలో ట్రయాంగిల్ ప్లేనార్ ఉంటుంది, ప్లేన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఉంటుంది, అబోవ్ ద ప్లేన్, సో బిలో ద ప్లేన్. సో ఇక్కడ పైన F, డౌన్ ప్లేన్ లో F, హియర్ F, here lone pair, here lone pair. So it is 3 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs, same 3 bond pairs. ఈ bond pairs ఏ షేప్ లో ఉన్నాయి? సో షేప్ అంటే మనం bond pairs ఏ చెక్ చేస్తాం. T రివర్స్ ఇలా T షేప్ లో ఉంది. It is like this. So this is the position of the bond pairs. Okay, let's see one more example. So 5 ఉన్నప్పుడు, so this is only the possible thing. So I think even we can write one more choice. It is not given here. So 5 ఉన్నప్పుడు 5 0 4 1 3 2. Even there is a, we know the molecule that is 2 3. 2 3 ఉంటే that is AB2E3. AB2E molecule AB2 E indicates lone pairs, 3 lone pairs. Okay, AB2. The shape is 2 bonds here, linear shape. Here very important, this is AB2E2, this is AB2E3. ఇక్కడ AB2E2 అన్నప్పుడు we said that angular molecule. Okay, but here AB2E3 ఉన్నప్పుడు that gains that exist in linear shape. So how it means we know that they will get more distance in less repulsion. ఇక్కడ AB2B2 అన్నప్పుడు టోటల్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి మనకి? 4 వస్తాయి. 4 వస్తే ఏ షేప్ ఉంటుంది? టెట్రాహైడ్రల్ షేప్ ఉంటుంది. సో టెట్రాహైడ్రల్లో 2 బాండింగ్లో ఉంటే 2 బాండింగ్లో ఉండవు కాబట్టి అక్కడ యాంగులర్ షేప్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ టోటల్ 5 ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 5లో 2 బాండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 LPs ఉన్నాయి, 3 LPs ఉన్నాయి. సో మెయిన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈజ్ XCF2. ఓకే, What with the hybridization in XeF2? We know that sp3d. Just check it. XeF2. Half into the central atom 8 electrons plus 2 monovalent atoms. So 5 means that is sp3d. But 2 bonds, 3 LPs. So sp3d కాబట్టి what is the shape? This is a triangle. Above the triangle, below the triangle, total 5 arrangements లో మనకి ఫ్లోరిన్స్ 2 ఉన్నాయి, 2 బాండ్ పేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మిగతా 3 ప్లేస్లో లోన్ పేర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2 ఫ్లోరిన్స్ అరేంజ్ అవ్వాలంటే 2 ఛాయిసెస్ ఇక్కడ అరేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అరేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఈ పొజిషన్లో అరేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఈ పొజిషన్లో అరేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు. బట్ విచ్ ఈస్ సూటబుల్? వాట్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్? We know that always they exist to get more distance and less repulsions. More distance, less repulsion la untai. So kabatti opposite direction, they select the opposite direction only to get the more distance and less repulsion. So what about when 2 bond pairs completed? 3 lone pairs ante here 1 lone pair, here 1 lone pair, here 1 lone pair. So like this means the shape is only thus it is in linear shape. Okay, next we see some more types. Okay, so now we see some more types. Okay, number of pairs 6. There is no lone pairs. Simply we can write AB6 just like SF6. We know that. So the shape is, what is the shape? 6 unnappudu there is octahedral. Hydral. Okay, this is octahedral. The best example is sulfur hexafluoride. Okay, there is a different possibilities. 5 and under 2, 40 is also possible. Okay, total 6 aval manaki. Okay, 5 and 40. This is the main example. So here it can be written as AB5 E1. So it can be written as AB4 E2. Okay, so AB5 even E1 means 5 bonds and 1 lone pair. So 5 bonds, 1 lone pair. Okay, so example is so BRF6. Here important 5 bonds. Now guess what is the hybridization in it? So the hybridization is what is the model have hybridization? Br. So bromine means halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So 7 valency electron. These are 6. B over F5 I think. Okay, we need to B over F5. Okay, BrF5. 7. sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 hybridization లో ఉండాలి octahedral. So 6 పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఉంటాయి. సో octahedral ఉంటుంది. బట్ there is 5 pairs, 1 place లో ఏముంది lone pairs. యాక్చువల్ గా what is the octahedral shape? So octahedral ఇలా ఉండాలి మనకి. octahedral is the central atom. What is the central atom? Br central atom. So actually above the plane, below the plane. But one position is occupied by the lone pair. So 6 fluorines ఉంటే no problem. SF6 ఎట్లా ఉందో BRF6 కూడా excuse me, BRF6 కూడా octahedral ఉండేది. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. F5 ఉన్నాయి. 1 2 3 4 5. So one position lone pair. One lone pair is present. So can you guess what is the shape? So just don't count this, just count the 4 are present in one plane. And just like imagine a ceiling fan, a ceiling fan having 4 wings. So కొన్ని ceiling fans కి మనం 4 wings అబ్జర్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆ 4 wings అంటే ఆ 4 wings ఎలా ఉంటాయి? ఒకే ప్లేన్ లో ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ పైన రాడ్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లో ఒక బాండ్ ఉంది అక్కడ. సో బాటమ్ లో ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు ఇక్కడ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ అపియర్స్. ఈ 4 దీనికి కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఇమాజిన్ చేయండి. ఓకే, 4 ఇలా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఈజిప్ట్ పిరమిడ్. ఓకే, జస్ట్ లైక్ పిరమిడ్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఓకే, called square pyramid. Okay, So next, AB4E2. AB4E2 examples, very rare examples are there. And we know that example. Sure, you can write this right side work at separate rough work. Okay, that's also important one. So AB4E2 means it is just like a square planar. It is having square planar shape. HgF4. So how it is? Can you guess? Hybridization half into xenon 8 electrons, monovalent atoms 4, this 12, 6, sp3d2. So sp3d2 కాబట్టి it must be octahedral. So octahedral కాబట్టి perfect గా 6 bonds ఉండాలి. But there is only 4 lone pairs are there. 2 places లో 4 bond pairs should be there. 6 bond pairs should be there. But 4 bond pairs ఉన్నాయి, 2 places లో lone pairs ఉన్నాయి. So how they arrange it? So this is octahedral. So 6 bonds ఉంటే no problem. XCF6 perfect గా ఉంటుంది. అంటే స్క్వేర్ ప్లేనార్ అంటే సో ఇక్కడ 4 ఎలా ఉంటాయి మనకి 4 పాసిబిలిటీ ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 ఇలా ఫ్లోరిన్స్ అరేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, సో బట్ ఇట్లా అరేంజ్ అవ్వడం కంటే దే ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్. సో ఇట్లా ఉంటే ఏంటంటే దే విల్ గెట్ లెస్ రిపల్షన్స్. సో ఇక్కడ ఉంటే దే మే బి సమ్ లెస్ డిస్టెన్స్ కాబట్టి సో ఆ పొజిషన్లో మనకి మోర్ రిపల్షన్ వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దేర్ ఫోర్ దే అరేంజ్ దిస్ పొజిషన్. వాట్ అబౌట్ దట్ రిమైనింగ్ 2 పొజిషన్స్ above the plane, below the plane, lone pairs are present. That is exactly square planar. So bonds ఈ 4 shape లో 4 places లో ఉన్నాయి. So that is a square planar shape. Okay, these are the different examples. Okay, tomorrow we see some more. So there is no extra types are there. These are only types. But tomorrow we explain the one type again separately with taking a different examples and shape. But you need to know perfect about VSEPR theory and you need to remember this table exactly. Means 4 BPs 1 LP. What is the shape? What is the example? 5 BPs 1 LP. What is the shape? So like this you need to know how many lone pairs, how many bond pairs, then what will be the shape. Okay. So for example BRFI is given, it is having how many LPs, how many BPs, like that questions. Or if it is asked that in a molecule 4 BPs 2 LPs are present, what will be the following molecule? Okay, means you need to perfect this table. You need to get perfect this table. Okay.